Jack here, and in this one I'm looking at the VEVOR 2-liter size ultrasonic cleaner. Now, full disclosure, it was sent to me for free for an honest review. Take a look at the cleaner. It comes with a removable lid. You've got a miniature little ball-shaped cage. This is great for really small pieces, anything super tiny, screws, anything you don't want to lose or have floating around inside the cleaner, or anything that the main basket won't catch. So here's a look at that main basket. It's got rubber feet on it so it doesn't vibrate against the bottom of the cleaner while it's running, and it's got plenty of room for larger size parts, anything that you don't have to worry about falling through those grates. Now we're gonna go ahead and fill it up with water. I chose to fill it all the way up just to the top of the basket here. You definitely don't want to overfill, and I'm just using regular water. You can use detergent as well. You can get a degreasing detergent, but you don't need that. You could run it with just the water by itself. Now I did go ahead and place this diamond ring inside of the cage to keep it safe, but everything else, the cheaper rings and the coins, we just threw into the basket there. And we're gonna go ahead and replace the lid, and then we'll power it on with the switch on the back. You do want to keep it unplugged while you're filling it with water, but we'll plug it in, and then you're going to dial in both your temperature settings on the left side as well as your timer settings on the right. And both the left side and the right side have independent power buttons. So there we went ahead and turned on the temperature setting, and then we'll turn on the timer here, and you'll hear the device power on, you'll hear the vibration, and it'll start counting down. When the device is done, it'll beep twice, and you'll be good to remove the cleaned products. Now, do be careful. It could be warm depending on how you set the temperature settings. So just give it a moment, and you can see we got everything pulled out, and we did get a little bit of cleaning. I did take a before and after photo of some of these coins here, so you can see what the cleaner was able to remove. I noticed quite a bit on the bottom penny on the left, some of the larger pieces, and the dime on the bottom right also got some of the larger pieces removed. So it does take some time to learn what type of dirt these devices are good at cleaning. Some things you might have to clean by hand. Just keep that in mind. It's not going to clean everything perfectly, and it does depend on the temperature you run the device and how long you run it. So trial and error might be helpful. A couple of other facts on the device: it is made of 304 stainless steel for the tank itself. It operates at 40 kilohertz ultrasonic frequency, so it's above the human hearing range, and it operates at about 60 watts. It features a 0 to 30 minute timer, and it's great for jewelry, watch parts, eyeglasses, diamonds, small parts cleaning, engine and automotive parts, coins, change. Like I said, it can be used with or without the detergent. It runs on regular water. It's great for achieving professional cleaning results. And all things considered, if you're in the market, I think it's a really solid option. It's a great way to clean delicate parts and pieces without scrubbing, which may lead to damage or abrasion. So for that reason, I think it's great. Hope this video helped your purchase decision. Thanks for watching.